Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the courtesy door light on a 2012 Toyota Camry. Just a heads up, when you open the door, the light comes on, so the light bulb may be hot when you go to take it out. Recommend wearing gloves or using pliers, which is probably what I'm going to do to take the light bulb itself out.
Or disconnect the battery.
Or just disconnect the battery. I guess you could do that too. I'm just using this little seal removal tool. You could use a small flat head screwdriver as well, but you're just going to simply wedge it in there like so and start to work this lens assembly out of the door. And it hopefully should pop out for you. Just be gentle with it that you don't break it. Then we've got this electrical connector. We're going to unplug that. And if you want, now's the time, just let this cool down before you go to change the bulb. It runs a 194 clear license plate light bulb. They use these little light bulbs on pretty much everything, so I just call them license plate light bulbs. But we're going to actually be upgrading them with Auxito's LED light bulb to give it a nice crisp white brightness. Check the link in the bio if you want one for yourself. And then all we got to do is disconnect the actual, this piece, I think, out of the lens cover. Okay, so down in the end of the light, there is sort of a latch that you're going to have to push in on. And that should allow this piece to sort of slide upwards. And then I think it comes kind of outwards. I think there's a latch on the other side as well. Just can't quite get in there. Oh, maybe if I slip down into here. Yes. That seemed to work. So double hooks, one on this side, one on this side. Squeeze them together, pop this piece off. There's your light bulb. Pretty simple design. We're gonna just pop this out. I don't know if these LEDs are gonna work. All right, we're gonna give this a try. Simply slide this bad boy in there. Oh yeah, I think this is gonna work. Okay, it's not quite all the way in. It doesn't fit in the holder, but I mean, like, it's pretty secure, so it may work. We have to go plug this in and see. Because it's an LED, it's possible to install the light backwards and then it doesn't turn on. So let's plug it in and test it and see if it turns on. Oh yeah, that's gonna look super nice. Another thing, I don't know if this cover is gonna go back on because it's not all the way in. If you are really tech savvy, you could try to just bend these out and modify them a little bit so that they're wider to accept the bulb to allow it to go in. I'm gonna see if this cover will go on with it the way it sits right now. Okay, it does go in. It's pretty much up against the plastic. I'm kind of concerned about it possibly being, getting too hot, seeing as it's right up against the plastic. Might not do so well. So I'm definitely going to recommend just replacing it with a regular bulb. However, it's completely up to you. I don't recommend it, but if you wanted to modify it, you could totally make that work. So just grab your new normal bulb and slide it in. Make sure it's seated correctly. Grab the plastic cage thingy and then pop that back into place. Also make sure that that's seated correctly. Looks like it's seated correctly. Then just simply plug it in. Pop it back into place, make sure everything's flush, good to go. Got any questions? Let me know in the comments. Might be able to answer them. If the video helped, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.